Hello, this is a video of the IBM Selectric Model 72. I just wanted to show some of the issues it's having. I was not able to get this typewriter working, so I'll go ahead and turn it on. So you can hear it power on. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have that vibrating sound. And when you click some of the keys or press down on certain things, some of the noise sometimes goes away. One of the issues I was having is none of the keys would press down. The spacebar presses down, the shift, the lock, they press down. I'm able to press these down. But just none of the main keys work. I'm not sure why. Another thing I was not able to do is the typewriter ball, it does not move either direction. I'm not sure if something's disconnected. So I'll go ahead and show you a close-up of that. So there's the typewriting ball. The string that holds or moves the typewriting ball is off right there. On this side it's a little loose too. When I press any of the keys, the typewriter ball does not move at all. The typewriter has wear and discoloration all throughout it on the edges. The paint is worn off. There's a discoloration. There's some chips in the paint. There's also a lot of dust and debris between the keys. If you have any questions, please send me a message on eBay. Thank you.